Hello everyone, I am Tanya Pandey from Sari Mantra. We are the manufacturer and supplier of authentic Assam handloom from Swalkuchi, Assam. We hand weave the very beautiful Assam weaves, which are Assam silk saris, Assam silk mekhela sador, Assam cotton saris to Assam cotton mekhela sador. Today in this video, I'm going to showcase two absolutely uniquely hand-woven Assam silk sari. One would be Tasar by Muga and the other would be Muga by Eri. These two beautiful saris are handcrafted with our master weavers. They're not any ordinary weaves. So stay tuned and please do watch the entire video to look at these two uniquely handcrafted Assam weaves. This is the first weave that I'm going to showcase. This is the very beautiful and uniquely crafted Tasar by Muga silk. Now, when we talk about Tasar by Muga, it means in warp it will be Tasar and in weft it is the pure Muga silk. Before I showcase you the sari, I would first highlight few points by which you can understand if it is a Tasa by Muga or you have been scammed by selling Tasar sari in the name of Tasar Muga. We have recently found out in the online platform and also in the retail market, many sellers sell Tasar sari in the name of Tasar Muga. They do that so that they can manipulate the price, or maybe they do it intentionally because they do not know about the weave, they do not understand the texture, or they try to scam the customers when they find out the customers are not aware of the texture of the silk. Now, when we say Tasar by Muga silk, the texture looks like this. If you have seen a Tasar silk, it has got a very ghee color in it. It does not have this kind of a goldenish texture. Now you might ask, how do we get to know it when we see it online? Please, it is a request, humble request to all of you ladies out there, whenever you are purchasing an Assam silk sari from whichsoever seller it may be, please ask for lab testing certificate. That is a very important identity authentication proof given by the government. So that is one first step where you can identify if the silk is what it is being said to you. Now, as I was saying about the texture, now look at the texture. This is a Tasar by Muga. So when the warp is Tasar, when you will feel the sari, you will get the undertone texture of a Tasar, which is very fine compared to Muga. And the color that you see here, it is a very dark beigeish color, dark goldenish color. But in Tasar silk, had it been a pure Tasar silk, the color would have been absolutely ghee color. There is a video which I had made previously where I have showcased the difference between Tasar, Tasar Muga and Muga silk. If you want to know more, please do watch that video. I will also try and put the link of that video in the comment section or in the description box so that it will be easy for you to find out the video. So now, speaking for this sari, this is a beautiful handcrafted and uniquely crafted Tasar by Muga silk. As you can see, the palla has been crafted with very traditional motif of gosbuta and a very geometrical pattern. This is the palla portion. It has been crafted entirely with Eri yarn. Look how classic and classical it looks. It gives me a feeling of old school vibe, a very traditional, and absolutely it takes me back to the days where I used to see my grandparents, my mother wear such saris with this beautiful traditional buttas. Now, before I show you the entire sari, I'll first show you the blouse piece. Now, this is the blouse piece. The blouse piece has this border which you can design as per your choice and preference. It's a very, very unique combination, but very classic. This is the blouse of the sari. Now we will move on to the entire sari. I have already showed you the palla portion. The entire body has got tora buta. It is not a normal or the ordinary flower that we generally do. Rather, it is a tora buta because it looks like a star. It is a floral motif but given in the shape of a star. Hence, we call it tora buta. The entire sari looks like this. As I unfold the sari, please take a look at the texture, the color, the design, and the distance of the buta given on the entire sari. Now, what we have done so unique is the border. The border is a fixed border, meaning woven along with the sari. Look at the border motif. How beautiful, how intricate it is, and how classy it looks. Now, see at the back portion. There are no thread pulls. The neatness of the artistry lies in this. This is the finesse, this is the craftsmanship that Sari Mantra brings every time. So this is the first sari, Tasar by Muga Silk, which has been crafted very beautifully and uniquely with the dyed airy yarn. Traditional motif with a mix of fixed border, meaning woven border, and giving it a very, very classic look and a classic taste. This is the first sari. Yes, our saris comes with lab testing certificate. Had it been a Muga by Muga silk, along with the lab testing certificate, you would have received the GI certification. In case of Tasar by Muga, you will only get the lab testing certificate. So this is the first beautiful handcrafted Tasar by Muga silk sari by Sari Mantra. Now we will move on to the second unique, absolutely unique silk sari of Assam. This is indeed a collector's collectible item. I cannot just say this to be a sari or a piece of cloth. As I showcase you the sari, I will also try and explain you why did I say it to be a collector's collectible. This beautiful sari that you see is no ordinary. This is a very special sari. This is Eri by Muga silk. Yes, this is Eri by Muga silk. Eri is in warp and in weft we have used the Muga. Because of the presence of Eri, the texture is ultimate soft, very comfortable, and it has also the beauty of Muga. The color that you see is because of the presence of Muga, and the softness that you will see is because of the presence of Eri silk. It's a very, very unique in itself. It's a one piece. We generally do not do Eri by Muga because it takes not only time, but it takes a lot of patience, a lot of craftsmanship goes behind weaving Eri by Muga silk. As I'd already said, that not every weaver can weave a Muga. Similarly, not everyone can weave Eri by Muga. It is unique in itself. Now I'll show you the palla portion. This is the palla portion. How beautiful it is. Colorful flowers, colorful pattern of flowers we have done on this achal. It goes with the color of black, mustard, rani pink, bottle green, and definitely a lot of, hard work we have put in it. I'll show you the back side of the sari. See, this is the back portion of the sari, and this is the front portion. I hope you can understand the finesse, the intricacy that I am talking about. And the flower buttas all over the body is just simply so beautiful and so refreshing. It has got multicolor flower buttas The yarn that we have used on the design is a airy yarn. Half of the body you will find such big flowers, and as we go to the inner part is the Tora Buta all over. This is the Tora Buta that we have done. You can see as I unfold the sari, please look at the texture, the finesse, the distance of the Buta that has been given all over the sari. Now the sari has got a very beautiful floral pattern border which has been woven along with the sari and not stitched. This is the border portion. A very, very beautiful. I am in love with this beautiful drape. The sari there has a blouse piece which has been crafted with beautiful borders panel. You can see what we have done. We have put such panel on the sides, on both the sides, which you can use as per the design. And then we have got this lovely 3 flowers on both the sides of the blouse piece, which you can ask your tailor or your master G to design the blouse in a unique way. So this is not only a uniquely handcrafted sari because of the design, but the uniqueness is in its textile, in its fabric. It's a Eri by Muga silk, rare to find, very, very complicated weaving, because to handle Eri and Muga, you need expertise, you need years of expertise and patience indeed. So who would be the lucky one to grab this beauty for yourself? The sari comes with lab testing certificate wherein the warp and weft will be tested and certified. Out there, ladies who want to book this two beautiful sari, please contact us at 789-654-1489. And the boutique owners who are looking for such unique hand-woven Assam silk sari from an authentic manufacturer, you can do contact us at the same number. We'll be very, very happy to be associated with you. Please, ladies out there watching our videos, if you're new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe, and please like and share button is up there. Do like and share our videos so that we can reach to many, many handloom lovers just like you. Thank you so much once again for watching our videos.